Welcome to Monday Coffee, the weekly Atlassian Updates show. Today we look at what's new in Confluence Automation, updates about Jira Align Standard Edition, early access program for limiting third-party apps in Jira. We'll go over the weekly events followed by some free Agile and DevOps events announced. We'll look at the new workflow editor for team managed projects, the free live learning courses happening this month, and we'll finish it off with the article of the week on how to make time for the work that matters.
Hi again, welcome to Monday Coffee with Appfire. We are your hosts, Biro and Nikki from Appfire. Appfire helps teams collaborate more effectively with the apps that make work flow. It's a 2024 season of Monday Coffee and we are starting with so many updates, so let's get straight into it. 4 new features are coming to Confluence Automation: new rule validations, lookup pages action, manual triggers template, and template categories. New rules validation helps to make execution of rules more accurate and show compatible components at a glance. The lookup pages action enables efficient search and integration of up to 150 pages using CQL. A new manual triggers template helps speed up rules creation between Confluence pages and Jira issues, and updated template categories provide clearer organization and easier access to a wider set of templates. These features are already available to all Confluence Premium and Enterprise customers, so if you're one of them, give it a try. Confluence Automation is coming strong with so many new updates, so definitely moving fast.
Yeah, we were talking about the automation stuff last year quite a lot as well, including Confluence. Right, so moving on to the next bit, Atlassian under Sapphire Rails as head of product marketing for enterprise agility and Jira Align will discontinue sales of Jira Align Standard Edition after February 1st, 2024. To focus on the Jira Align Enterprise Edition. This decision aimed at enhancing the Jira Align experience and promoting agile practices follows extensive feedback analysis. So currently, Standard Edition customers will receive support through their contract term, after which they will transition to suitable alternatives. The change underscores Atlassian commitment to advancing performance, reliability, and innovation in its products. So it does seem from the research and such that that's the right way to go by discontinuing it, discontinuing the standard edition, just staying with enterprise.
Makes sense because Jira Align is usually promoted as a enterprise product as well.
Yeah, anyways, you have to have a certain size of your business and company to do so.
Exactly. Well, let's have a look at the next update. It's going to be about Early Access Program. Atlassian's Early Access Program now includes a feature for Jira allowing better control over third-party app access to specific Jira projects, which will help improve data security in cloud. The program offers option to restrict app access, benefiting from app functionality while protecting your sensitive content. Your feedback is needed to help improve this feature and to make sure it suits your needs. So if you're interested, sign up for the Early Access Program in the community post. So this program was already available last year for Confluence, so now it's also moving to Jira. It's really, really interesting. I definitely recommend for all partners to have a look at this as well, and to enterprise customers, of course, too.
Okay, so this week we have many ACE events happening. So here's a couple of interesting ones. Today, an ACE virtual event in Campinas, Brazil, Mastering ITSM, Unlocking Excellence in Service Management, Session 1. This is Session 1, focused on IT service management basics to advanced concepts. This is the start of a series of enlightening sessions every 2 weeks. And on 18th, ACE in-person event in Austin, Texas. It's round 2 of barbecue and Atlassian intelligence. It combines a barbecue event with insights into Atlassian's AI capabilities in Jira and Confluence, featuring talks by Atlassian experts. But aside from the regular events, I also wanted to highlight this announcement about the Atlassian Community Unleash events, which starts in January 2024 and offers free tickets for Agile and DevOps roundtables and networking across various cities. Attendees will gain insights into Atlassian product updates, connect with peers, and engage with experts. Bonus, a discount on the Atlassian University DevOps Essentials course. So really useful. Check it out and get that discount.
And if you're coming to the London one, I will see you there. It's going to be exciting.
When's the London one?
On 24th, I think. I'm not sure. I have a look at the calendar, but it's in a week.
Okay.
Yeah. Well, that's exciting. Now let's talk about workflows. Who doesn't like a good workflow in Jira? Jira has introduced a new workflow editor for team-managed projects. New editor unifies interface for editing workflows, including status and transition management. You can easily add, modify, or delete elements within the workflow, improving efficiency and simplifying the process. So if you are using team-managed projects and were waiting for a better way to manage your workflows, go give it a try.
Right, so before we get into the article of the week, which is super interesting this week, Atlassian offers free live learning virtual courses on Jira software, Jira Service Management, Confluence, and also certifications. These 60-minute sessions led by Atlassian experts provide interactive learning and peer engagement opportunities. Courses cover various topics, catering for beginners and advanced users alike. So, have a look at the next upcoming live session and register to attend if the topic is something of interest. Yeah, it's interesting because we have a lot of community leaders that are driving these live sessions. So
yeah, I've seen the first one with Jimmy. It's quite fun. Well done. I can't wait for the next one. Well, now it's time for the article of the week. This time it's a research. I found it quite interesting because there are numbers and I love numbers. So definitely go through it. There's also like a report that you can download if you're interested. New research by Atlassian's Team Anywhere Lab suggests that designing your workday around top priorities helps you be more productive and less exhausted. Atlassian ran an experiment where participants redesigned their calendars to focus on high-impact work. This involved declining non-essential meetings and allocating specific time to block for different type of work like deep focus and collaboration or even responding to messages. Results showed improved progress on top priorities and better goal clarity. So definitely go through the article. If your New Year resolution is to be more productive and better work-life balance, this will definitely help out. I'm already a huge fan of time blocking your calendar, but this takes it to another level. So I'm gonna try some techniques from the article, definitely.
Yeah, I feel that time blocking is also in the calendar, in your calendar app, is also a really good way to manage your work in general.
Yeah.
Right, so you can block segments and just sit down and work on certain things, and then you can have a task management tool, but you can also use your calendar to manage your tasks and go over things.
Absolutely. Well, what I found interesting in this specific case is I guess you and me already are doing the time blocking, but there's one thing that definitely distracts me, which is Slack. And in this research, they recommended to block a specific blocks of time to actually respond and react to the Slack messages and to emails twice a day. So there was a 30 minutes window and then 40 minutes window, because sometimes you need to do some kind of tasks while people are asking you, right? Like someone needs access somewhere, someone needs some kind of numbers or report. So you book the time with that as well, instead of doing it like immediately. So that's interesting way to test. Interesting thing to test. I might try it, although I like to be quite reactive on Slack. I know it distracts me from the deep work.
You could also, and I don't know if anyone has any idea if anything like this exists, but you could also probably build some automation where when you're on your calendar when you're booked as unavailable, right? It puts everything on mute for you so that automatically...
Mute is not a problem. It's my habits that's a problem. But
Right.
yeah, that's another discussion for another time for sure. Thank you so much for watching Monday Coffee with Appfire. I hope that you enjoyed the episode. Make sure that you read the article of the week and go through all the new updates. And we will see you next week with our regular schedule.
Yes, good to be back. We'll see you next week.
Happy New Year!